Hey there, everybody. I'm back. This video is titled You is the Bank. I'm going to do a screen share here quickly. Show you something. I got this from a friend a couple of weeks ago. So I've kind of sanitized a little bit here. But it's a court case regards to civil matter. It's a summons notice to appear for pre-trial conference. To appear. There's the word appear. So it's addressed to John Smith. Okay. And John Smith, you are hereby notified that you, John Smith, are required to appear in person or by attorney. Okay, appear in person or by attorney. So who is it that they're expecting to appear in person? You must understand here, the you they are looking for is a man or a woman to appear in person or by attorney. They are not looking for a person to appear in person. A person cannot attorney. Makes no sense, correct? I mean, think about it. Who or what would appear in person? Persons do not appear in person. They are persons. And attorneys do not appear in person. They appear for persons. You see, and if you ever got into a court, they don't ask you for identity documents. They don't ask you for something that proves you're a Canadian or a US citizen or a German or a Englishman or a Australian. They never do that because they need the man to step into those shoes. They need the man to fill in and then appears the character, in this case, the defendant. It's a person, and all of this stuff is against person. So I'm just going to stop the screen share there. You can see that now. Come back here. So, and again, they never ask for identity documents in court. They need the man to come into there and stupidly, and then next thing you know, that man, now it's a Canadian man or whatever. In any case, now once you've appeared in person, you know the rest of the story. So up until a man appears in person, he's a man. Anyhow, the reason I am sharing this, as per the content of the previous video, another perspective, friend or foe, and the guy got the government, when the guy got the agreement with the Canada Revenue Agents, the business, this birth certificate is Her Majesty's business, and my other friend, business done in this name is done for Ontario or Canada, whichever is applicable. Were they not referring to the person? Man talking about person, man, person, two beings, right? As per the securities legislation, we talk about UCC Article 8, Securities Transfer Act legislation, is not the person named on the birth certificate, the beneficiary. Are you that person? I hope not. Are you not the life on the account, the benefactor / grantor? Is this the certificate of live birth, not the evidence or proof of that? Who created and issued the birth certificate? Who holds the registration of live birth? Is up here, province of Ontario. Who created and owns the person you use? What benefits via your use of the person? Who the legal owner is with the obligation to perform? This might help. You do what you do in the name of and through a person. And that person belongs to and serves a counterfeit family. You is the bank.